So for fans currently anticipating the Teen Titans series coming to TNT, we finally have what appears to be our first roster. Thanks to the nerds who got an exclusive look at the script for the pilot episode, the Teen Titans include Dick Grayson, Starfire, Raven, Hawk and Dove, and finally Barbara Gordon as Oracle. Now the last member came as a surprise to me because I thought Beast Boy would have rounded out the team, but then again he could show up later in the series. We did get some character descriptions for each member as well. Dick Grayson will begin the show just having left Batman and moving to Boston, where he becomes a police officer, similar to the first Nightwing solo book back from the 80s. Now, Barbara will serve as the team's eyes and ears, similar to the role that Felicity plays on Arrow, and Starfire and Raven don't show up until the very end of the pilot episode, but Raven is referred to as Rachel Roth in the script, which is a name Jeff Johns gave her in the early 2000s run on Teen Titans. Now, last but not least, we have Hawk and Dove, which will be the Hank Hall and Dawn Granger version, which was introduced first post Crisis on Infinite Earths. So I'm pretty happy with this team roster because we'll be getting some really obscure characters, and Nightwing will finally get his live action treatment. Even more interesting is the fact that the show is coming to TNT of all networks, so the showrunners might have some more, leeway on how graphic the series turns out. Now, with all that being said, comment below if you guys are excited for the show, and if you would like to see Beast Boy or maybe Cyborg come in at some point. I think Cyborg's a little probably not going to happen just because he's getting his own movie and stuff like that, but I think it'd be pretty cool to see in action. So this is Nick signing off. Till next time.